Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip, guys. We are live. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everybody out there. There is a lot of big breaking news here in the crypto space today that we have got to talk about, my friends, because we're going up again, y'all. We are going up once again, and it's a very, very beautiful thing. Let me know how the audio is, guys. I keep experimenting with these live streams, trying to get the tunage right, trying to get everything right, because we're getting ready for a bull market. Shout out to BSS in the chat. Welcome back, my friend. Good to see you. Shout out to you. Good day indeed. You might even say a great day, my friend. Why would we say a great day? You might be wondering, why would we say great day? Well, that's very, very simple, my friends. Just open up CoinMarketCap, open up TradingView, look at the charts, look at what's going on, guys. We've got the prices going up, my friends. We've got the prices going up, and it's a very beautiful thing, guys. It is a very beautiful thing indeed. So smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. A couple things that I want to go over with you guys today. XRP, obviously. We're going to talk about XRP today. This coin has been great for trading, but now it very well could be great for holding. It could be, guys. We could be looking at an imminent 75% move to the upside for XRP to the top of a 6-year wedge. Okay. And if we break through the top of that wedge, XRP could be destined for new highs. The lawsuit is over. We've got to talk about it. This is huge. Yesterday I was live. It happened while I was live, and it was mind-blowing. I actually didn't even believe it. Obviously did some research afterwards and saw it was true. Here we are. Bitcoin is going up. In the comment section, let me know, guys, how you're feeling today. Let me know if the volume levels are doing okay for you here in this video. Are the tunes in good shape? Is it loud? Is it clear? You guys let me know. So Bitcoin, let's just start off with that, guys, because that's what everything goes off of here. Fear and Greed Index, first of all, 43, it's neutral. Did you buy the dip, guys? Did you buy the dip? Because something that I've been talking about a lot is how I was not going to sell. In fact, I bought that dip. I bought some stacks. I'm very, very bullish on stacks. I'm bullish on DeFi. I am bullish on cryptocurrency. We're in a bull market, guys. The total market cap is not taken out a new high yet. And until we do that, this bull market ain't even close to over, in my opinion. And that is just something that, I am not going to budge on. I refuse to budge on it. Nothing we talk about here on this channel is financial advice. But, man, we have made some fantastic calls. And I'm very excited for what comes next in this cryptocurrency bull market. So let's look at what's going on. Top gainer for the day. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. In the top 100, at least, it is XRP. We do have a couple meme coins, of course, going up much bigger than XRP, as always, coins that are not in the top 100. But we'll look at exactly, what can happen for XRP here, on the day in the next weeks. We got to look to Bitcoin, XRP at 62 cents. Beautiful. Helium up 15% over the last 7 days. Let's look at the last 7 days for crypto and see what's going on. Finally, we have a couple coins that are up big. We do still, however, have quite a few crypto tokens that are down in the red, pretty brutal over the last 7 days. And shout out to WCBJJ77, the news, aka, I know your name. I know your name. Oh no, Wes. I remembered Wes. You bought some Ondo. He's saying, hey, bought some Bitcoin and Ondo on the dip. Well, how's that doing for you? Well, guess what? You bought at a discount. And in fact, it is up 9.41% today. So to that, I applaud you, my friend. I applaud you indeed. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful thing, guys. We got St. Genevieve in the chat saying, "Caw. I'm bullish on call. Let's see what we can do with some of our Cronos memes." And on our memes in general, guys, I did not sell a dime through this dip. I know a lot of people panicked out. Some people took some profit because they were way up, as am I. But you know what? I'm holding strong. I'm holding strong because I think we've still got a lot more upside in this crypto market. And well, there we are. We got shout out to my wife, Mrs. Crypto Kip. That's actually my wife in the chat. Shout out to you, honey. For all the people to see, I blew you a kiss live on stream. That's love, guys. That's love. You know what else is love? Bitcoin. My wife loves the Bitcoin pump today as well. Our portfolio is going up. You know what? And probably so is yours. If you bought this dip, if you guys buy low, sell high, you can make a lot of money in this asset. You really, really can, guys. So yes, we do have a lot of coins up today. It's a beautiful, beautiful thing. Coin coming back to the top. This coin is ranked number 8 right now. Is this thing going to flip Ripple? I don't even know. Ripple could be going to the moon now that we got it at 62 cents. The XRP lawsuit is over. Mrs. Crypto Kip, how are my volumes this morning? How are the volumes? I got the music on the speaker. I wonder how that is. Somebody give me some feedback on the volumes. I have no idea how it sounds out there. I'd love some feedback from anybody. Somebody, Bueller. So y'all, yes, we do have a lot of coins coming up. We got Brett on base coming back up. I bought $1,000 worth of Brett. That came down to $500, guys. I don't care. We don't even have a bull market parabolic move yet. We've been waiting for it. I am not giving up on this broader Bitcoin bull and crypto bull market. We still got a lot of big news coming in. And now a lot of people were fearful of a potential recession in the U.S. Volume is good, says BSS. That is good. I love you. Mrs. Crypto Kip says, sounds good. I love you more, Mrs. Crypto Kip. Yes, I love you more than BSS, though I do love you, BSS. But Mrs. Crypto Kip, carrying my unborn child now for 8 months. We are getting close, guys. I got a baby to take care of, and so we're going to take care of it with the crypto moves. You don't hear any music. Okay, well, we'll bump it up a little bit. Maybe you'll hear the tunes lightly in the background. Maybe you got it. I'm grooving out. But JP Morgan, you know, as a lot of people, we were fearful of a recession. Now, JP Morgan says the odds of a U.S. recession by the end of the year are now at 35%. So that's very good to hear. That is very good to hear. That it's only 35%. In fact, I don't think it's going to happen. I mean, I don't think we're going to get a recession in a bull market year, especially after we got beautiful news like this. XRP bullish move imminent. SEC versus Ripple victory. Bitcoin bull market begins. That's the title of this video. But is that true? Is that true? Well, I do think that it is true. I think the bull market could officially really begin. I'm looking for that break through the total market cap. This is the story, guys. There's Welsh. I love this meme coin, Welsh. But let's look at the total market cap. Much more important than Welsh, though. Welsh is important for my portfolio. I got a lot of Welsh. Let me tell you. But look at this, guys. Guys, you cannot make up the resistance, okay? You cannot make up the resistance that we found here in support. We've got resistance up at 2.4 trillion. We've got support here at 1.89. I told you guys we could bounce down to it, and we did. I told you guys we could come down to 50,000, and we did, and we got a bounce. And we're moving back up to the top of this range. What is the next move we could see for Bitcoin? Well, easily another 16% to the upside, guys. August turning out to be, well, is it a bullish month? Let's look at the monthly candle. Not a bullish month yet. The monthly candle's still red for Bitcoin. That's okay. I'm not worried. That's okay. And on the weekly candle, we're green. Look at this. Look at this. This reminds me of this wick right here. Fake. This is always how these things go. Guys, if you were bold enough, confident enough, and admittedly, I was not. I did not long Bitcoin here, but you could have. And if you want to leverage trade Bitcoin, leverage this crypto market, you can sign up for Blowfin, an OKYC required exchange in the link. I have it pinned in the comments for you guys right now, on YouTube at least. And you guys can sign up for Blowfin, get $300 if you deposit $2,000. You get up to $5,000 in sign-up bonuses with that exchange. And we got FEMEX links for you as well, pinned in the comment section. But it's not just Bitcoin. Ethereum's recovering. Everybody was like super bearish on Ethereum there for a minute. Look, guys, until this total market cap, friends, breaks through to new highs. Let's just go over here. Check it out. Until this total market cap, my friends, breaks through this area. This is the area. I am not even going to come close to calling this the end of the bull market. I had people in my chat just a few short days ago say, get ready for a 3-year bear market. Stupid. I think it's stupid. I'm sorry. If you're one of those people that said that, I think it's stupid. I mean, look, you're saying that this time is different. If you're saying the bear market is now here, we had our highs. The overall crypto market cap hasn't had highs, and we've never seen that in the crypto industry ever. We've never historically seen that. Altcoins are getting a bounce. Jasmine's getting a bounce off my key levels. We got Crocoin versus Bitcoin getting a beautiful bounce. And yes, XRP. Let's talk about it. It's looking good. We've got XRP. Could have about a 70% move still. Yesterday it was a little bit more, and we're creeping our way up. We could see it come to this top of this range. Now, if XRP breaks through the dollar price hold, which is, that's a beautiful level, $1, that's the target, $1.05. The next target, my friends, would be a 428% move just to the new all-time highs. Now that, you know what, let's get to this story. There's a victory. Let's celebrate. Let's celebrate victory. We're winning, guys. We are winning, okay? XRP is soaring because judges, yes, this is an actual photo of the actual judges. There's Brad Garlinghouse, maybe. Federal court orders Ripple to pay 125 milli in civil penalties, ending the SEC case against Ripple. That is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful thing. Don't you agree, Jackson Crawford? He does. He says, nice. Daryl Young says, you can hear it now. Good. Good. I'm glad you can hear it. Very good. But no, this is huge. On Wednesday, a federal court ordered Ripple to pay 125 million in civil penalties, and that is ending the SEC case against Ripple. This is huge. But remember, guys, the agency will appeal. Let's see if the courts grant this appeal, and let's see if it warrants an appeal, because they said that XRP is officially not a security. This is not only big for XRP, guys. This is an XRP live stream, yes. But this is not only big for XRP, guys. This is bullish for Bitcoin. This is bullish for your altcoins. This is bullish on regulators losing their power against squashing innovation in the crypto industry. And they are losing their powers increasingly over time. It's like these court cases are kryptonite for Gary Gensler. And he is holding a lot of kryptonite, let me tell you, because this guy, and I just compared him to Superman. I take it back. He's going to lose, guys, and he's probably not going to continue serving into 2025. He is just losing left and right. They're claiming victories on their end, but they're not actually claiming victories in the public eye. This is a huge move. And you know what? We're seeing other bullish news. And obviously, Russia is doing some crazy stuff, horrible, horrible stuff right now with Ukraine, which is crazy that nobody's talking about Russia and Ukraine right now. I have not seen any news stories on that as of late. It's tragic what's going on over there, but Russia, in the past, in 2022, their central bank proposed banning Bitcoin and crypto mining. In 2024, breaking news today, Putin officially signed a law legalizing Bitcoin and crypto mining. We've got St. Genevieve in the chat saying, XRP to the moon with a $5 super chat. A $5. You know what, St. Genevieve? I appreciate that. We haven't gotten a super chat in months, and that's because the crypto markets have been painful. But I'm assuming you're making money, and hopefully you're making money on some of our calls. Hopefully you're making money on Crow with Knife, which is a Cronos meme I make quite a bit of money on. I think you did as well. I've seen you around. But thank you for that super chat, my brother. I appreciate it, my friend. Thank you. This is a bullish day. Russia is legalizing Bitcoin and crypto mining in Russia. This is going to go live in November, I believe. So we've been looking for a bull market to continue into 2025. And it's going to, okay? It's going to. And these stories are huge. We have seen time and time again that we have seen countries coming out pro-crypto. Hong Kong, the Hong Kong banks talking bullish on crypto. China, bullish on crypto. We've obviously got presidential candidates. We've got all of them. The Democrat, the Republican, the Independent, all of them bullish on Bitcoin. 2 out of the 3 talking about a strategic reserve for Bitcoin. Russia getting in the game, legalizing Bitcoin. You think they're going to buy it? You think they're going to buy some Bitcoin? Well, think about this, guys. BlackRock, one of the largest financial institutions in the world, okay? They have over 300,000 Bitcoin. They're accumulating. America is selling off for some reason, but if we get a new president who's going to do a strategic reserve of Bitcoin, obviously we'll start buying it. We had RFK said he wanted to do 4 million Bitcoin as a strategic reserve for the U.S. over the next couple of years, buying like 500 Bitcoin a day or something like that is what he was proposing. What if that actually happens? What if that actually happens, guys? And it looks increasingly so with stories like this coming out that this could very well happen. Now, I obviously love seeing this story, guys. This news over here, actually. I don't know which way my screen pops up. I figured it out. It's over here. This news over here, guys, it's really bullish stuff. Super great to see. And you know what? Robinhood is doing well as well. We've talked about Robinhood. Robinhood holds a ton of Ethereum, holds a ton of crypto. And their earnings just hit top expectations, better than ever, following revival of meme stocks and crypto. Meme stocks are pumping, crypto is pumping in the second quarter. And guess what? So we got Robinhood to have some good earnings, and Robinhood stock's doing well today. Likely. I actually didn't pull that stock up for you, but I can tell you this. S&P 500 is rebounding. And we want it to rebound. We want it to rebound aggressively. We've got the Fed that is likely to cut rates soon. Probably going to cut it big league as well. And that's probably going to prove to be very, very bullish for your bags, which is great. We got another Crow with Knife fan in the chat. Man, this Crow with Knife coin, still vocal. I had a lot of Crow with Knife. Maybe I should get some more Crow with Knife. I don't know. Meme coins, I'll tell you. There's something else. But you know what? We've got big buyers. A lot of people took advantage of this dip. You know, obviously, when I saw that Warren Buffett had like $200 billion on the sidelines, sold his Apple, and then the next day we saw like a market recovery. It's all a game, guys. What were they doing? What were the elites doing? What were the billionaires and millionaires doing? Well, retail was panicking. They were accumulating. The world's largest Bitcoin miner increased their BTC holdings to $124 million in July. That is awesome. Marathon Digital holds over 1.1 billion worth of Bitcoin after the company decided to go full hodl. Let's see what's going on actually with Mara. Marathon Digital. Mara's the ticker. Oh yeah, it's up. It's up today. No surprise there. Let's actually do this. We'll go here. We'll pull the dailies. Yes, getting a nice move. A nice move back up to the upside after a pretty tough move to the downside. You know, let's look at Coinbase stock as well. I'm very bullish on Coinbase stock. How could you not be? Man, had a big dip, but now it's coming back up. Did you DCA in your 401k into some of these crypto stocks? I did not. I actually was focused on buying crypto. But if you were looking at adding to your 401k or your retirement account, like your Roth IRA, you easily could have bought some crypto-oriented stocks. I just bought some crypto instead. We're seeing a lot of bullish things go on, guys. So here's the deal with XRP. XRP, guys, the case is allegedly over. There could be an appeal. But for 2,401 days, how many years is that? It's like 6 years, guys. It's been trading to the side, down from the highs to the lows, back up to the highs, down to the low end of the range. Found kind of a little level up here we were playing with. Hit the bottom of the range once more. And now we're moving up, guys. And honestly, this is probably ripe for a long. Maybe I'd be cautious here for some liquidations. Just some liquidations. That's how crypto goes. We could get a little bit bounce, maybe back down to 53-cent level. But maybe we don't. Maybe we just rip back up to $1. And if we hit $1 for XRP, guys, I mean, I'm going to tell you, this XRP lawsuit coming to an end, Putin, you're getting bullish on Bitcoin despite what that guy's doing across the globe. You know, not good things, obviously. This could be a catalyst. These could be some bullish catalysts. I had some people asking me, what could be the catalyst for the crypto bull market? And you know what? We just saw two stories that could be quite great. And let's see how the ETH inflows go on account of that. If ETH inflows start to turn really green, Bitcoin inflows continue to be green. The Fed cuts rates. Tony Mountain says, Fed cutting rates in September, as September is typically bearish, bullish next month. I think it's going to be bullish. I've been bullish. I'm a mega bull. You guys know that by now. I bought some stacks up at $1.95. I took a brutal downturn in stacks all the way down 40% from my big buy I did the other day. But you know what? At these lows, guess what? I bought the dip. I'm already up. I got in, I think, like at $1.15 or something like that, I want to say. I'm up like 20% on that move. There's so many coins that you could be so up on right now. It's unbelievable. Unbelievable. Let me tell you. It's unbelievable. If you do look, a lot of these coins are up 14, 15% in 24 hours. Some are memes. Some are memes. Some are decentralized storage plays. Some are Ethereum plays. I'm so bullish, guys. It's amazing. St. Genevieve, again, thanks for that super chat, brother. I much appreciate that. You're a beautiful man or woman. I don't know who you are, but I love you. I appreciate you. Thank you very much. So, guys, we're looking good. We're looking real good. People were scared. People were scared. But you know what? I want to remind you this. Okay, let's look at the data. You can go to CoinGlass for yourself. Look at this beautiful crypto.com ad up here. I love it. It's a beautiful thing. I'm a big Crow coin bull. I got some crow coin memes. I got some crow coins. I'm ready for a parabolic bull market. So are they. They're getting their ads out there, which is great to see. But let's look at some data. Let's look at some charts, okay? Volume is huge on crypto right now. But what I really want to focus in is on these. Pi cycle top indicator. Let's start with this one. We came down low. We have yet to go back up to the top of this range, guys. If we get back up to the top of this range, that's $173 million Bitcoin, $173,000 Bitcoin. I think that's very achievable. There's many, many beautiful, beautiful charts that show us, we're not even in that bull phase yet. We do see the BTC price going up, but the Bitcoin bubble index, we're not even close to bubble phase yet. Looking at the Bitcoin rainbow chart, we're at the low end of this band, guys. We got to get up into this orange, yellow, maybe even the red. If we get to the red, guys, you're looking at 300K Bitcoin. Man, how beautiful would that be? I think we've got a lot of room left to move to the upside. All these charts signal this is an amazing buying opportunity. Not many times do you see Bitcoin below this band. And if we are below this band, we're about to start creeping up, kind of like this, moving alongside this thing, maybe to the underside of it. Maybe we break back up above it. But at some point, we should come to this next plane up here. And if we do, guys, that would be amazing. A $439,000 Bitcoin. We have seen so many people panic sell out in this moment. But I've seen a lot of people buy these dips too. Legacy Legend says, hey, Kip, I guess I know why Germany sold now, because they got wind of Japan. You might be right. And maybe so did Warren Buffett, right? This is what they have that we don't have, is this insider information. And, insider trading is illegal, but it happens all the time amongst elites. Warren Buffett is certainly guilty of it. I'm accusing you, Warren Buffett, yes, of insider trading of sorts. It's so vague. It's a wishy-washy line, But they know what's going on before we do. And so what can we do? We can buy in over time into things that we believe in, things that are going to go up over time. And if you don't believe that Bitcoin's going to go up over time, well, then it's very simple, guys. Listen, if you don't think that Bitcoin's going to go up over time and we're not into a crypto bull market, then it's simple. You simply have not been paying attention. And that's okay, because that's why we're doing 5 videos a day for you guys every single day on this channel, because we know what's coming. And I know a lot of you guys know what's coming. And some of you guys are figuring it out for the first time. And that's okay. I'm making new lessons for myself every single bull market. Each bull market I have done better and better. My first bull market was bad. My second bull market was better, still not perfect, not even close to perfect. This one is going very well, but not even close to perfect yet, though we got a lot of bull market left, and it could be perfect. It might be perfect. I think it's going to be perfect. I feel very confident, but not too confident that I'm not going to take profits along the way. Now, here's Zach Humphreys. Shout out to Zach Humphreys. Millionaires will be made during these times. Wait, how am I not following Zach Humphreys? You got to give him a follow if you're not. I don't know why I wasn't following him. I was hanging out with him in Austin, Texas at the Bitcoin conference, or the consensus conference down there. But I've been tweeting out, guys, a lot. Leedle deedle do. Bullish on this news. Looking at this, here, this was super cool to see, I tweeted out this morning. It's unbelievable, isn't it? Glad I bought the dip. $60,000 Bitcoin is back. This individual says, you're the OG. I said, perhaps the OG is you. Just because, you're here, friend. You're here. He replies, nah, a lot of people panic sold because of the dip. You're among the goats who bought the dip. I commend you. I'm just starting out in crypto with no support and little capital of $10. That's why I follow you, because you're not like those fudders on X. I am certainly not a fudder. I'm a believer. And you know what? So is this individual right here. And I like the attitude. Matter of fact, there you go. Now you got the follow, because I love you, man. And this guy's got some Welsh. It's beautiful. I like Welsh. Look at what Welsh he's doing for us. If you don't know what Welsh is, well, it is a Stacks meme token. It is a Stacks meme token. Are these candles right? It's a Stacks meme token. Now the Nakamoto upgrade is coming. Bitcoin DeFi is coming. Look at this beautiful recovery. It's just in correspondence with Bitcoin. It's easy to see. Look at these 4-hourly candles for Bitcoin. Guys, I talked about the potential of a V-shaped recovery. And you know what? I should have kept my drawing drawn, but I had something drawn kind of like, this. Something like that. I think we can go back up to the top of this range. Hopefully sooner rather than later. The end of this month happens right about here. And you know what? That would look really nice if we could just zip, zip. That could happen. But we're probably going to see some resistance up there. Do some of this, see some resistance up there. Do some of that. In the meantime, we still got some great buying opportunities. Like, for example, if you're bullish on Bitcoin DeFi, this is still down 60% from its highs. If you're bullish on Crocoin, Servando Estrada in the chat, my friend, how you doing? Good to see you, dude. Crocoin down from its highs this year. This thing was at 1.55% higher earlier this year, and from its highs, woo, we're 90% away. That's a 2x, guys. It's a 2. Actually, it's more. Excuse me. We're 90% down from the highs, 90% discount. We're at 10x away from the highs, guys. We're at 10x away from the highs. So we're looking pretty good. Solana's getting a bounce. Caspa looking great. Actually, Caspa's probably right for a trade. I kind of want to open up a long on Caspa. Oh, I kind of want to open up a long on Caspa. It is just above this little resistance. It could hit support or resistance. It could hit resistance here and come back down to support. It depends on Bitcoin. Look, Bitcoin could drip back down a little bit, so it's risky. So I like to use low leverage, guys. High leverage is if you're in and out very quickly, you can get away with it, but it's very, very risky. We got to be careful, guys. So I'll do a little questions. You guys have any Q&A questions for me? How's everybody doing? We've got 52 viewers, 39s of yous on YouTube. We got only 13 folks watching on Twitter today. And very interesting. Very, very interesting. I got the tunes bumping for you. We're chilling. So throw some questions at me. What do you guys got going on? What do you guys got going on? Let me know. Throw some questions. Throw some comments in the comment section down below, guys. C. Hicks, good morning. We got Little Ninja LOLing. You having fun, dude? I hope so. I hope so, my brother. My friend. Again, shout out to St. Genevieve for the beautiful super chat. I am very grateful. Very grateful indeed. All right. I'll go over to the Bitcoin chart. I'll wait for some questions to come in. I'm hanging out for you guys. What are you thinking today? How are you feeling, guys? I'll look out for some other news stories. I'll see what else is going on. Legacy Legendsman says, are we in a recession and will it delay the bull run? Great question, Legacy Legendsman. My answer to you, my friend, is I don't think so. I do not think that we are in a recession at all. I don't think that we have a system that will allow for a true recession. We'll have big crashes, but we just had that big crash. And I think that crash is done. Look at the games that are played. One day you hear that Warren Buffett sold $200 billion worth of Apple stock, and the next day it's all back. It's all back. It's all climbing back up. They're going to print money eventually again. They're going to pump this market. It's a presidential election. That's how it goes. That's how it goes. Bitcoin's getting moved back up. Moving back up. What other questions you guys have out there? Here we go. We're going to have some resistance at 60K, no doubt. Though we did just break through this little resistance here, so we could see 61K in a hurry right here. WCB JJ77, a.k.a. West, says DCA. I agree. I agree. XRP, guys. Let's see where XRP came down yesterday from the highs. It hit a high. Boom. A 10% move back down to the downside. And then if you bought that dip again, a nice move, 8%. Man, you can get away with such beautiful trades here on XRP still. Though you got to think long on it now. I'm thinking we got to be long on XRP at this point. Yesterday, we were not long on XRP. Yesterday, we were short on it because we didn't know if the story was confirmed. Now, if the SEC comes out and successfully appeals and we see another story break about this appeal from the SEC in this XRP case, it could bring XRP back down a little bit. But this XRP lawsuit's so huge, guys. It's just showing you that cryptocurrency is here to stay. 59.8. Making the moves. 59.83. What else is going on, y'all? How we doing? How we doing? How we doing? I'm real close on Bitcoin. Let's just see if we're going to get some huge breakout live on stream. Let's get up close and personal with Bitcoin. Total market cap, guys, we could have a huge altcoin boom coming. Bitcoin dominance is very close to 60%, which even the guys that are bearish on altcoins are saying 60% is kind of the target, which means after that target's hit, I think altcoins can rally, guys. We could have a huge rally for altcoins. You know, if you see the total market cap move by 14%, that would be beautiful. You'd have a lot of great money to make, especially if you bought those dips. If we get a move to the highs, which is right up here, a 48% move, a 50% move for the total crypto market, that would be beautiful. That would be beautiful. What are the questions you guys got today? How you doing? How you doing? Welcome to the Crypto Report. I'm Crypto Kip. We're hanging out. We're grooving. Oh, yeah, Kip. He says, I love the coffee table. Nice addition to the investment man cave. Yes, sir. Oh, man, that's been there, Legacy. I just hadn't shown you, for those of you guys that haven't seen, is my room clean today? Is it clean? It's decently clean. Yeah, I got a little coffee table with my French press and all my good stuff right over there. My Dunkin' coffee. And then I'm a French presser. I got my pot to boil my water over there. I built out this studio because I knew a bull market was coming. I spent like $5,000 on the studio, guys. That's quite a bit of money to spend on a studio. But you know what? I'm bullish on the thing, and I knew the channel was going to be successful because I knew people love cryptocurrency, and I know these markets. We've been in these markets since 2016, guys. We've been in these markets since 2016. 360 Odyssey in the chat is saying, I'm just about to go meet a friend of mine who lost all their crypto by gambling with leverage. Any wisdom I should pass along? 360 Odyssey, listen. If this individual you're going to go meet with lost all their money, let me turn down the music completely for this. If your friend lost all their money leverage trading, I've got the answer. Don't leverage trade. What do you think of that advice? It's very simple. If you're not good at leverage trading, don't do it. But then if you want to dabble back into it again, start with low leverage and practice taking profits. Let's say you invest $5,000 into a leverage trade at 5x and you're up $400. Just take out $4,000. Scale $4,000 out of the trade. You still got some risk out there. Then you could stay in the trade. Or heck, take out your $5,000 and leave the 400 in there. That's it. Leave the profit in and take out your initial. Or sell it all and open a new trade when the charts say so. 360 Odyssey says they want to keep going. They got to use low leverage. Don't go over 5x. Don't go over 5x and don't let your trade go less than. Don't let your trade go 20% into the red. Don't let your trade go 10% into the red. Take your loss and admit that you had a bad trade, maybe. Maybe. That's not financial advice, but you got to be careful. If they lost all their money leverage trading last cycle, they shouldn't do it. Simple as that, I think, but I'm not a financial advisor. Legacy Legendman says that French press is going ham today. Love it. Oh, yeah, man. It's summer says, I need a French press. You do. Only problem with the French press is you got to clean it. You got to clean it. You got to clean it. What else is going on, guys? How you doing? How you doing? That was a great question, 360 Odyssey. Just about to go meet a friend who lost all their crypto gambling with leverage. Any crypto wisdom I should pass along? What wisdom do you guys have for the friend of 360 Odyssey? Do you guys have any advice for this guy? What a great question. Let's look at the chart. Oh, rejected on the 5-minute candle. We're hanging out. We're enjoying the pump today. We're live for 34 minutes, guys. Smash a like, subscribe. If you guys are watching on Twitter, do me a favor, leave me a comment down below. Any feedback on the stream, any questions you guys might have. I come back, I'll answer them after the stream on Twitter. I'll reply to you. Retweet us out as well. Give us a retweet. It's Summer says, don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. Bitcoin's coming back down a little bit. It's okay. Let's see what else is going on. Let me pull out some other crypto news. See if there's any other stories I can find on X, on Twitter for you. Don't be greedy is a good piece of advice, let me tell you. Everybody's, it's easy to be greedy. It's easy to be greedy. Let's be real. I'm looking for some other stories and see what goes on. How about this? Benjamin Cowan looking pretty bullish. Everything's green. Only a couple are down. Look at this. A beautiful sight. A beautiful sight indeed. I'm just looking through, seeing what else we can find for you guys on Twitter. Bufflink says, join the Crypto Lifer 99. He's a good teacher for trading. Invest your education. Crypto Lifer. I saw that guy at the conference, man. I saw that guy at the conference. I'm looking for some other neat stories for you guys right now. Let's see what else we got going on. How about this? Look at Crypto, man. This guy's such a legendary trader. Find a beautiful bounce off 48K. Buy. He bought the wick. Unbelievable. Look at this. What an incredible trade. What an incredible trade. Bufflink, if you're a big crypto lifer, let's do a live stream with him. Hit him up. Tell him about us. We'll do a live stream together. We'll hang out. He's rocking and rolling. I know it. I see him grinding. Met a lot of great people at these conferences. Met George. Met Anthony Pompliano. Fun name to say, Anthony Pomp. It's funny how we all dislike Jamie Dimon, but then we all get excited when JP Morgan sees a 35% of a U.S. recession this year. That's a better chance than people were saying the other day. This is somehow a bullish story, I guess. Oh, that's interesting. How about this, guys? Solana just flipped BNB again. Let's see if that's still the case. Oh, yeah. Solana's back above BNB. I think it should hold. I think that is it. I think that's the future. I think that Solana should be above BNB forever now. Solana is a staple. It's the new Ethereum, though Ethereum is definitely here to stay. Hook me up, Bufflink. He says he wants to start interviewing people on his stream. We'll do it. Yeah, give me his email, Bufflink. DM me what his email is, and I'll have my partner, Black Sea, reach out. We'll do a collab with him. If he's down and he wants to do some interviews, we'd love to hop on his channel. Man, that guy's got a heck of a personality. Heck of a personality. I've been watching him. I saw, everything we were going through with the bear market. He lost his mom. I saw that. That was a tragic thing that happened. And just to come out and share that with the community is pretty amazing thing. So, obviously that was tragic to see, but man just kept going, kept grinding, did not stop his mission. You know, no matter what comes our way in life, we got to keep grinding. We got to keep grinding. Even when the most tragic things happen in life, we can keep going. We can always, you know, find the good in life, you know, find the good in life. Crypto Keeper still holding all his Solana that he bought when he was at $10. 360 Odyssey says, how do you have time to watch all the crypto influencers while working a day job and uploading all times, 5 times a day? Very simple answer for you. How do I have time to do all these things? A great question. Well, first of all, I don't watch all the influencers, but I do watch quite a bit of them. And I don't watch all of their entire videos in entirety, but I do keep up and just kind of see what's going on. So I just watch snippets. And then there's some that I like more than others. And, you know, I don't want to say who I like more than others per se. I think you guys know who I like a little bit more than others. But, you know, you just do. If you want to make the time for something, you will do it. You will do it. I'll give you a good example. 360 Odyssey, like, so one thing I have a big issue with in my personal life, right, is we've got these markets and we watch these prices go and we get hooked into the phone and then we get hooked into Twitter and we get hooked into YouTube. And then we wake up in the morning. The first thing you do when you wake up in the morning, what do? You grab your phone and then you start scrolling. We all do it. I do it. Today, I was really making a very conscious effort this morning because I need to continue to increase the time that I have to do the things that I need to do. And I did not, for the first hour of my day, scroll on my phone at all. I did not scroll. I put on a podcast and I cleaned my house a little bit. I cleaned my desk. I did a little bit of work this morning. I got set for my day. And then here I am. I'm doing my stream. I've got my golf league later tonight as well. And I'm going to have beautiful time with my beautiful wife later tonight. I will make time for whatever I need to do in my life. And I know there's a lot of people out there that say, oh, I don't have time. I don't have time. Bull. We've got time. We've got time. We need to make the time. We need to make the time. And that's easier said than done. And many mornings I do wake up almost every morning and I waste an hour on my phone. And I'm going to try to stop doing that because I still need to make more time. But a very interesting question. A very good question. It's Summer says, by the SEC calling XRP a security, wouldn't Sol and ETH fall under the same category? Wait, the SEC called it not a security. Well, I mean, they called it a security, but the judge deemed that it's not. And so if ETH and Sol fall into the same category, then boom, that's bullish, baby. We win. We win, my friend. We win. How's that volume, guys? Let me know. Let me know. Throw some questions, guys. We're hanging out. I'll stay live for a little bit longer. I got to do some more work, but I'll stay live for a little bit longer. As long as the questions keep rolling in. Because this time is for you guys. I got my stories out of the way. You know what's up. Oh, good question. The family's great, man. The parents are on a vacation, living their golden years. Sister's got some kids. Brother's got some kids. I'm bringing my first kid into the world. Everybody's happy. Everybody's excited. Family's good. I'm going to be a girl dad. I'm going to be a girl dad. I can't wait. I can't wait. I got to make some gains in crypto to take care of my little daughter on the way. Caspa? Well, Caspa immediately. I think Caspa could easily, very quickly, if Bitcoin holds up, get an 18 to 20% pump, maybe a good long opportunity to 20 cents. I think it needs to get at least to the top of this range again, which is a 74% move to the upside. But of course, if we go there, we're back in price discovery mode. We could see resistance at 29 cents. But I think a dollar Caspa is easy. I think a $5 Caspa could happen, but we still need to see those KRC20 tokens come out. We still need to see the developments happen for this ecosystem and continue to build out. And the truth is, guys, is I'm bullish on a lot of coins because when this total market cap breaks out to the upside, and what a beautiful wick that is, fake out. When this market breaks to the upside, we're going to have a lot of coins doing 10, 20, 40, 50, 100x gains, and we can make a ton of money. And I think we will. Thanks, brother. I appreciate that. Appreciate that, Crypto Keeper. Thank you. What else is going on, y'all? How you doing? How you doing? Can you check DGen token I bought? I got wrecked. Bought 7,000 at 300,000 tokens in tight DCA right now. I know that's listed on crypto.com. Is there a better chart for this? Let's see. That looks better. Might have gotten a bottom there. You're going to want to see this thing come up to that 0.0061 level. You could see some resistance there. If it breaks through, then you could be getting a better move up. You also maybe see some resistance right here. 0.0081, 0.0095. So you might see it hit here, touch back down to here. And then in a parabolic bull market, who knows, it could go back up. I don't know much about the DGen token. Never really saw a huge community behind that. I look for big communities, so we'll see. It's Summer says, dude, having kids is the greatest treasure. I can't wait. I just went to a little baseball game last night with our friends and one of their little 9-month-old boy, precious little kiddo. It's beautiful. Yeah, it is beautiful. I can't wait. I can't wait. Excuse me. All right, guys. Well, that's all I got. I'm bullish. Probably tomorrow when we're streaming, we could have a Bitcoin above 60K moving its way. I don't know. Let's see. We could easily see this thing go 15% back up to 68K. I wouldn't be surprised to see it get there. And I don't know, over the next week, maybe by next Friday, maybe earlier, we could be back up to 69K. We could come tap down on these levels, but I think we go to the top of the range. I think we go to the top of the range from here. It's Summers. You got 4. Oldest is 9. And youngest is 2. Wow. Wow. Congratulations to you, man. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. I got to make that money to take care of them. You know what I'm saying? And I want to make, the most of my time, right? I want to be able to have a job like this. We make a little bit of money from some ad revenue on this channel. You see, we've got a couple sponsors. If I do ever have a sponsored video, you'll see, we'll note that we have a sponsored video. This is nothing sponsored in this video. I do have affiliate links for you guys if you want to sign up for Femex, but and Blowfin. But we're trying to make it here in the crypto space with our portfolios, with our channel, and just providing good, sound ideas, not advice, ideas, thoughts to people for them to do their own research, to give people the tools and the knowledge to understand the space and make some money. And hopefully we can make some money along the way in doing it. And increase the time that I'll have to spend with my kiddos. And then I can maybe consider having some more. But for now, I'm just going to have one. And then it's a second. And then if Mrs. Crypto Kip was still in the chat, my wife, if you see her pop up, her name's Mrs. Crypto Kip. I gotta convince her on the third, fourth child. Third is what I'd like. I'd like 3. C. Hick says, I don't watch videos that you say pay promotion. Well, that's fair. I mean, look, that's why we say it, because I know some of you guys don't want to hear it, but some of the videos that are paid promotion, like just because it's a paid promotion doesn't mean that it's going to do poorly. Like recently, we talked about We got a paid promotion for Brett coin. I think Brett's going to do well, you know? And a lot of these coins that are paid promotion coins are like, they're probably going to do well too. Some are going to do way better than others, and some might not succeed. That's true. But I'm always going to give you a fair shake on it. I'm always going to give you a true analysis on it. And I'm going to tell you the warnings. And that's the commitment to you guys. But that's fair. See, Hicks, I get you, man. I'd probably do the same. I get it. Crypto Keeper says, I'm a dad of 3 girls. Congratulations to you. That's beautiful. I got 1 girl on the way. I'm excited. Modded 6. Oh my gosh. All boys. All boys. Not as hard and not as expensive. Very cool. Not as hard and as expensive. We'll see. All right, guys. Hey, thanks for hanging out. That's all I have for you in this one. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Smash a like. Subscribe to the channel. Of course, guys, don't forget to DCA, HODL, and watch Bitcoin go to the moon, right? Until next time, y'all. Shout out to Utah. Libre Poob. Oh, wait a minute. What was that? That was crazy. Did you guys see those little confettis that came down? I don't even know how that happened. That was wild. I'll see you in the next one, y'all. Peace.